Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your PS4 console turn off automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Power Save Settings. Now select Set Time until PS4 turns off. You can now choose how long until your PS4 turns off when playing media, and how long after no input when inside a game or application. You can also select Do Not Turn Off to prevent your PS4 from turning off at all. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.